Hi, Jeff here from Audi Edmonton North, and today I'm going to talk about this fresh trade that we got here. This is the 2025 Audi SQ7. So this one actually got traded in for a brand new RS6. So this one is finished in a nice chili red color. It has very low kilometers, roughly about 11,600 kilometers on it. So this vehicle comes with your blacked out package, meaning there's no chrome in the vehicle. Everything else is blacked out, as you can see. You get this nice upgraded wheels with that one too, blacked out mirror caps, and also a blacked out side moldings as well. This vehicle has been well taken care of. It has been PPF since brand new. So the full front of this vehicle has been PPF. Your bumper, your fenders, your hood, your mirror caps, also your A-pillars and your brow here at the top has also been PPF'd. Including your door cups as well. Okay, so if you look at the back here as well, this vehicle is in immaculate shape. This comes with your towing hitch receiver as well from factory, which can tow up to about 7,700 pounds. Let's take a look at the side here. There you go. Let's take a look at the side profile of the vehicle. Gorgeous, gorgeous color. There you go. Now let's take a look at the interior. This one is nicely equipped as well with the massage seats capability. So there you go. Yeah, massage seats here in the driver and also in the passenger. That gives you the driver memory seats as well, and also the fragrance option inside the cabin. You can see just 11,000 kilometers there, roughly 11,520. With the SQ7 you get that nice quilted leather here, diamond stitch as well. You have the full panoramic roof and your dual screens here as well. Look at the back. So this vehicle comes standard with your 4-zone climate control, so your rear passengers can control their temperatures separately from the front. Also comes with heated seats in the back and your sunshades. All right. Look at the trunk. Your crossbars there, and of course the SQ7 is a full 7-passenger. If you do not need the seats, they're folded flat down here at the back, and you can control them by using these buttons here. All right, well, there you have it. This gorgeous vehicle is currently available, recently traded in, and it's here at Audi Edmonton North. So once again, this is Jeff. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or concerns about this vehicle, feel free to ask me or come see me here at Audi Edmonton North, and we're looking forward to see you. Have a wonderful day.